We will have snacks too, but if you want to, you can.
Boy.
All right. So we see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll have a
Boy.
fun day. All right. We'll see you. Bye.
Boy. Okay. Oh.
So he's coming, Sammy.
Yep.
What it?
Beach.
What beach?
I put the beach as the name of this.
Okay.
11 Pier 1 Drive.
Yes. So from there we will then go to waterways, then go to seafood, then come backwards and then take the whole
Please
seafood.
drive to highlighted route.
Okay?
Yep. On we go.
Off we go. Oh, the bottle might be in the way, yeah? Is it in the way?
No, no.
Huh?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yep.
It might hit you. No?
No, no.
Okay. Good. Let's go, Alex. You got your seatbelt?
Yeah. I've always been born to be on the seatbelt.
When you need to turn back over this way.
We turn back.
Because it's the other way around, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's the other way around. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah, otherwise also you could have just turned back. It's okay. Hey, you got the car this time. Why not have a
Yep.
look around place, right? Cooking will always be there. And if I'm at home, I'll always be doing stuff.
Oh, what? Oh. Where's the highlighted
What's it
point?
doing?
There's no purple zone.
Yep.
Oh, there it is.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Why don't we have a car? We have an arrow, not a car.
I'm going to bring this one
Oh, really?
because I like Alvin's.
Mama, you have to drive with the manual one. How are you going to do that? I'm just going to be leaning on the window because it's really nice and because I have the window open.
Oh, you have the full window open? You don't need the full window open. And don't put your hands out, okay? That should be enough. Hmm?
Yeah.
So where do you want Uncle Alvin to go?
I don't know. Where are we going?
Well, we need to show some part of Australia. So which part of Australia would you like to show him?
No.
Oh, Alex.
Turn right at the stop sign, then turn left.
Yep, doing a good job. Yep. Beef. Where is it taking you? Taking you to another road. Go straight down.
Straight on.
Yeah, go straight down. It will adjust.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Go straight.
Yep.
Because I know this road I'm saying. It will adjust itself.
What? You went the wrong way.
Come on, you can adjust yourself. Start adjusting, yeah?
Yep.
You went the wrong way.
Now it is.
You went the wrong way.
Hmm?
School. It's schools are what school?
Huh?
In
ahead,
4
Maya.
There is a
kilometers,
school
keep
there.
left
It's
to
Maramina
South
School.
Road.
Oh, cool.
That's a countryman. And the first countryman that came didn't have the label countryman. So that's what we have. And the models
Wow,
after
we're
that,
going fast.
countryman came.
We're going fast. Why are we going so fast?
You know what? Maybe we might be at the sunset for seafood.
Yeah. Oh, you can see the footy.
Oh, girls playing there. Is
There's
it
no
Evelyn's school
footy.
uniform?
It looks like Ab's uniform.
It does, right? But I don't think it is.
Oh, that car blocked my van.